Previously on.
You guys know Tory Lanez? Mo! Y'all know Tory Lanez?
One more time for I know.
Just like she's naked. We had a car wash, guys. We're at the car wash. It's Sunday, May. I don't know what today's date is, so I'll put it up as normal. Yeah, it's a long weekend. It's May 2-4 weekend, so I think it's the 20. Oh, no. It's the 22nd. It's May 22nd, and it's Sunday, and we're at the car wash, washing the car, and yeah, I'm inside because I'm in zippers, so I couldn't be outside for this wet part, but I did my job. He's so extra. Like, why did he put on the vest? So extra. But yeah, that's just up for now. And then we're gonna go over to mom's. I was supposed to do fireworks with the kids. I might still. They're at home, but yeah, this is up for now. So here.
What?
That's the one you gave me. The yellow one looks cleaner. You're not gonna take it out first?
Oh, I dry it off?
Yeah, no. Reverse it out first and then dry it off.
I don't think the water gonna dry on it because it's the one with the wax. So I gotta dry it.
So just drive it out?
Yeah, so that will dry first.
If you get me, say.
Yes.
Yo, I said don't put those things on my car. I told you they leave mark on the window.
But it's only on the inside. Can it wipe off?
But you know how to do it.
Sure you don't want a popsicle? Everything is in your head.
What?
Everything is in your head. I'm trying to wipe out the soap and stuff. What's your problem?
How's soap in my head?
It was in your head.
Mama give me the einds of reason. So me no feels me head back paper. Someone can't give me nothing when no go come when no say so. Me nah it. She get anything when she want it, but she can't get that. God knows she can't get that. What the fuck are them a fi safe? Tell me that them wouldn't do them day. Them talk about me like every day. Me talk about them like not one day. France, everybody just a follow me. Yo, me can't be one on who that day. Me have to get up like every day. My 3 pints not go so easy. Now me feel me need a key for the city. Nobody got me feel me things because I know for you. They never tell you no fi trouble when no trouble you. So you know say me a hurt. Tell pussy went up after the fire burn. Taking it, the truth is sure. And the baddest blood clot gal inna the world. Come give me the tight pussy wine, tight pussy wine. When the pussy tight, run it up 3 times. Run it up 3 times. I am on see and every girl see.
Now let me have that part. Now you don't forget that. Alright,
me make girl come first. She love me more than her purse. Did I just come after? Me have this same for now. From my days until now.
what is that church?
You're right at 6 o'clock. Oh, you smell this birthday.
20. But them story a history. Rise me rise. Not mine.
Say what you feel to say. Mountain makes it talk.
I'm only me a brief for me. But mine go fuck off and know me.
Yo, you guys, today is such a beautiful day. I know I'm in the same dress I was in yesterday, but who cares? I was just at my sister's house and I'm leaving now. I'm gonna go pick up some ice cream, I think, for Myanmar. I think. I'm gonna go home.
We have a new subject to study.
It was a long weekend, but it sucks. It really sucked. I was supposed to go to a christening Sunday morning, but because I came home at like 5, I didn't wake up till like 5 the next day. And what could I do? I couldn't do anything about it. So I missed that yesterday. And then what did we end up doing yesterday? Yesterday we went to a barbecue. I didn't really want to vlog at the barbecue, but I did get some clips. I'll insert them.
Yo, life is too bright.
I am gonna put it on YouTube. It's gonna go on my YouTube channel.
I'm in a criminal.
So I'll bring your fucking man. Me never ask them if you want your pussy for me that me a tell. Don't be coming on this, me now if you all bring your fucking man.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. It wasn't really like I'm my friend or I'm like Marlon's friend or anything like that. Marlon's uncle, well, our uncle, because he's my uncle too, Uncle Owen, made a friend or whatever, and then he invited us. He was just like, you guys come out. So we went out. You know, summertime, you just go out wherever, right? So yeah, that's what we did. And then yeah, and then today I just went to my sister's. But yeah, that's what's up. So yeah, that's what's up. So yeah, my weekend was pretty boring and whatever. And then we were gonna barbecue today, but then I don't think anywhere was open because it's Victoria Day here in Canada today on this Monday. And yeah, I don't think anywhere was open. Mar went to his mom's. I was at home. Mar went to his mom's and they grilled some fish. And I wanted some chicken, some burgers and stuff like that. But maybe another weekend. This weekend coming up should be pretty eventful. I mean, this week Sunday, my mom's birthday party, so I'll be able to vlog that. So yeah, you guys, now my vlogs are pretty much going to consist of content from my weekends, because during the week, if there is something to vlog, then hell yeah, I'll vlog it. But if there isn't, then there's not really much that I can do. So yeah, it's just gonna be like weekend vlogs, which I think will be okay because I only want to put up vlogs twice a week anyway. So hopefully I do a lot of stuff on like Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays that I can compile into 2 separate vlogs. Wish me luck. But comment below, let me know. I know a lot of you guys do leave your comments and tips and stuff like that in regards to what I can do to better the vlogs. Just let me know like what you guys want to see, what you guys don't want to see that I'm showing. How are you guys liking the intro? Are you guys liking that I'm incorporating music now, like more music into my vlogs, like actual music, not just sounds? into my vlog. And please remember, just see with me, currently I'm just vlogging from my phone, editing on my phone, so there's not really much things that I can do on my phone when it comes to putting on my content. So I'm doing the best that I can. I'm trying to make everything as entertaining as possible, but I can only do so much with what I have and whatever and stuff like that. What about the timings? Like, are you guys good with the 17, like 15-minute vlogs, or the 20 minutes, or the 25 or the 30-minute vlogs? Like, what are you guys preferring? Am I too boring for you guys to watch? You guys don't want 30 minutes, or do you guys want more of me? Like, tell me. And then I got a good response from my story time video. I was really happy about that. So obviously you guys want more story times. Not really that much things that have happened to me in my life, but I will share the experiences that I have gone through with you guys, definitely. I do have a few more story times to do. Actually, I might go home and record one. Maybe not. Maybe I'll do it on the weekend, actually. I think I have a video that I can post on my channel. And I was also thinking, I was wondering, I'm like, should I make a vlog channel and or like, should I make a main channel and keep the one that I have on right now as my vlog channel? Should I make a main channel for like my DIY, my topic videos, stuff like that? Like, I don't know. Like, comment below, you guys. Let me know. Help me out. Help a sister out, man. Just help a sister out a little bit. You know what I'm saying, man? Jesus, man. I'm at the ice cream store, guys. And I'm going through the drive-thru.
Nobody told me me things because I know for you. They never tell you no for trouble when I'm troubling you. Somebody couldn't tell us, say I saw you obvious. We say people here, so we turn the volume up. Watch this. When I explain myself to no man, I mean no need no opinion. Just watch a tone and vice humble, no brother man. No make we happy do this in front of woman. Me no do interviews, so fuck your questions. The answer to everything they for me live on. Oh, my short words are inspiration. When in a literature, me have a distinction. I can't dash it and no one fit me. We run the place, I am be forgiving.
Tell me if you like it. I always feel good. Y'all, I'm getting sick, like so sick right now. I was just calling it. I just called it on myself because I wasn't sick before. And I was just talking yesterday. I was just saying how before my body, when the weather used to change and stuff, like my body used to always be sick, and I was just saying to myself, I'm like, it's been so long since I've been sick. Bomba cleat. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I miss my brethrens. I miss Shanko and Stammerammer. Oh God, you guys, honestly, as much as I'm smiling right now, you ever just been at a period of time in your life where you just feel like everything is just going wrong? Like every single thing, like everything is just coming at me from like different angles. Since this year like before the year even started, like it's just so many things have been happening to me, and like I just can't friggin' deal. Like from people dying, like this week I lost a friend. I don't even want to talk about it because I still can't get over it. Like I lost a very good friend of mine. She was pregnant. She lost her baby died. She died. Like I still honestly can't believe that she's not here. Like I can't believe that she's gone. I can't. And then I got a call, or I got a message today from my sister Kiana telling me that my dad was in the hospital. I don't know how much more, like how much can a human take, like in real life? How much things can like happen to somebody before like they reach their breaking point? Because I feel like I'm at the point where, like, if I hear something else, like, that's just gonna be the end of it. Like, I was already at the point in my life where I was like, okay, I've lost so many people. If I was to lose anybody else, like, it would really break me. And like, when I found out that my girl Terry died, like, I legit broke. Like, I couldn't do I can't even sleep, bruh. It's so crazy. Hi. Debit, please. Doesn't really matter. Smoking. So yeah, like, I don't know. Thank you so much. Have a great night. So yeah, I really and truly, guys, do not know how much more I can take. But I know that I'm at the point right now in my life where, like, I'm just not for bullshit. Like, I'm just not for bullshit. Like, if you're not gonna put out the effort to see me, check for me, make sure I'm great, like, I'm not gonna return the favor. Like, I have to see that you're trying in order for me to try as well. I'm just not holding on to anything or anyone negative or anything that's just not gonna make me laugh, make me happy, or prosper in life and to do what it is that I want to do in life. Because, like, it's way too short now. Like, all these things that are going on, like all this corruption, all of this crime, all this hate, like all of this, like, negative, bad stuff. Like, I know God's coming for his world, but still, like, for the remainder of time that we're on it, like, can we just do what we're supposed to do as people and just make the freaking world a better place? I know it's harder. I know it's harder than it sounds, and like, not everybody thinks the same way, but like, man. You have some people in your life, right? Everything them follow you on. Like, for me, them follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. You can't forget about good up WhatsApp. You understand? Alright, now me have some people where when they feel away, they will block me either on Instagram or they will block me on WhatsApp. Now my question is, why you only block me on one or two things and still follow me on the rest of something? Please answer. Why? Why? If you're going to block me, like, block me off of everything, block me out of your life. Don't block me off of certain things where you know so me can get access to you quicker. Block me off of everything. Where you sit down and watch me for? But you watch me for? 10, 5, 15, 30, 40, 70% of my life. If you not know 100, just come out. Straight. My rant for the day. Like me, if I'm blocking you, best believe I'm blocking you off of everything. Can somebody answer me? Like, why? Does that make any sense? You guys, if you guys notice in any of my vlogs, either before this or after this, and you guys just notice like a little change, that I'm just like a little down or whatever the case may be, it's not that like my show is flop or anything like that. It's just I'm just dealing with a lot of things right now in life, like more things than one. I said, you guys, I'm just really in my feelings right now. I'm just going through a lot of ish right now, and I just hope it gets better. I really am so sorry, Terry, that you had to endure whatever pain it was that you endured. And I don't know if you can hear me right now, but I'm pretty sure you are in heaven because you're kind. Trust me. You were the end of a dying breed. So I know you are up there with God. You are chilling with your bundle of joy, your baby. Don't worry. Down here, we'll take care of Chris for you. We'll definitely take care of Chris for you. Okay? And as long as I have access to him, we will definitely take care of Chris for you. I want to tell you that you are going to be, without a doubt, missed. Like, there's no words to even describe how missed you're gonna be. Like, I can't believe it's gonna be a week tomorrow. I have not slept properly. Like, every time I close my eyes, I just see her smile. Like, she was just such a such an amazing human being. She was really and truly an amazing human being. She helped me find work. When I found her when I met her the first time, it was at work, and she was just so sweet. She showed me how to do everything that I was supposed to do, and she wasn't even working in my section. And it's just people like that that just come into your life. Anytime I invited her anywhere, she always came out. If she couldn't, she would. There was a legitimate reason as to why she wasn't able to come, not just because she didn't want to, but because there was a legitimate reason to come. And her son was her life, and I love that. Her son was her handbag. She carried that everywhere she went. And so many mothers are just, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. She was just an amazing creature, and we lost a really, really, really good person. Everybody is hurting right now. Who knew Terry? Every single person. There's not one person who I can say did not shed a tear or isn't feeling some type of way right now. So you definitely left your mark on this earth, and you're in the best place that you could be right now, next to God, or even in his arms. Like, do you know, like, you're safe from this crazy corrupt world. Although I wish you had many more years left here, you obviously came and did your job, and you did your job very, very well. But like I said, Auntie Terry, you're going to be so, 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 so missed. I miss you. I loved you. I still love you. I will always love you. There will always be a place in my heart for you. And, you know, just may your soul rest in peace.